We are coming up to the Mystique floor plan. This is arguably one of Del Webb's most popular floor plans here. It's a 2-car garage. We are in the Distinctive series now. This floor plan also comes in multiple elevations, so you can have a coastal look, you can have a modern look, a West Indies look, really whatever you like. There's lots of options to choose from. So we're walking into the Mystique. Once you get into the door, you see a long foyer. There's a hallway to the right and to the left. To the left, we have a guest bath and guest bedroom, much like the Stellar. In fact, the Mystique is a smaller version of the Stellar. And I say small, but this Mystique is almost 1,900 square feet, still quite large. Got your garage to the right here. Laundry to the left. Great folding space. Another guest bedroom. The Mystique comes as either a 2 to 4 bedroom property. Here's the den. They did a nice job with glass doors. Walking in now to the great room. It's a great floor plan for everyday living. Got a nice morning room there, again with the negative edge door, which is really popular. They've done some finishing work on this model with the beams and the woodwork ahead. Again though, this floor plan has KitchenAid appliances, shaker style cabinets, subway plank flooring. Let's go into the primary suite. So again, if you recall in the Stellar model, they had 3 windows. This one, being just a smaller version of that, has 2. If you have a west facing exterior, you'll get a beautiful sunset, or east, you'll get the sunrise in your window as it comes up in the morning. Water closet here, big walk-in closet. The shower does have a bench, and it is frameless. Going out the zero edge doors here, you can have a setup where you have speakers wired throughout. You can do that at the time of build, or we also have great contacts that we've used and have vetted and would be happy to introduce you to your own home automation. Still a great size lanai here in the Mystique. Not quite as big as the Stellar or the Renown, but fantastic for everyday living. If you have any questions about the Mystique floor plan or any other floor plan built by Pulte, Del Webb or DeVosta, please give us a call. Our information can be found in the video description below.